Today we're going to delve into what happens when you get a flat tire on your hub drive e-bike out on the road. These are all the things right here you need to repair that flat tire. We need a tube, a wrench for the axle nut, small Allen head, a pump, pair of cutters to cut the zip tie, piece of tape to put on our control cable, and a pen to mark it so we get that cable back in the correct place. That's not feasible. That's just too much stuff to bring with you out on the road. Well, today I'm going to show you something that might just cure that problem. Here's something that just might make your day. It is a double-ended inner tube. It has a pressed valve, and they capped the ends of the tube on both ends so you don't have to remove the wheel to put the tube in. It's all different languages on the back here. Here is the manufacturer. This one's a 28, so it should fit the e-bike that has a 27.5 wheel. This is what it looks like. Look at the end on it. Look at what they did is they took this piece right here and vulcanized it to the tube. And it has a Presta stem on it. I haven't used it yet, so I can't comment on how well it works. Quality looks good. I am sure this will work just fine as an emergency spare, so we can get the bike home, and once we get it home, then we can put a conventional tube in it. That's what I would do, put a one-piece conventional tube back in it. This is quite the tube. With this new tube, we've pared down the amount of items we need to repair our flat tire down to two. We got the tube and a pump, and maybe possibly something to cut the punctured tube out before we put our new one in. But that's doable. That's something that you can take with you as an emergency to get you back home. So I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching, guys.